as the day progresses. What is happening in my backyard? What is happening out here? Guys, what are we doing?
What do you think we're doing? Loading up the Festiva, baby. Going to the races.
Going to the racetrack?
Yeah. 1.3 cylinder.
Yeah.
Liter. One and a third.
The old 1.3 cells.
So one sill. 0.3 of a sill.
You gotta love it.
Okay, strap.
What else are we doing today? What else are we doing today? We're getting some stars painted on some stuff.
You know who emptied that?
My kid probably.
It was a gift
From where?
from me.
To him?
Yeah, well, I just figured I'd give it to him before he steals it.
My truck. It just come back from the Base Coast rave. This truck's been to more raves than the average raver. It come back with a fish on it from Pepe the Pencil. It's got a coffee cup on it from Nico the Lunatic Coffee Man. And I have no goddamn idea where that is from.
Please don't charge for that. Yeah,
Hey.
they do the front, no?
What's that? Yeah.
Weight doesn't count as a strap.
Hey, Jacob, how many raves has this truck been to?
I don't know, you've been following me around for about 10 years with it, so before I was using it, you would come along and pluck some junk out of a farmer's field. And remember that one time in the good days, I'm working away, I turn around, and there goes the Grizzly with 4 decrepit campers all in tow in a tractor or something, and it's you just like this, dragging all this shit down the farm. It's a good thing to have around.
Hey, Mr. Bun, I see your hair is on a bun today.
No.
How long is your hair, Jacob?
You just asked me. I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't got a ruler back there. I should get one tattooed on my back, and then everybody will be able to tell by themselves.
Oh, yes, indeed. It's fairly interesting. We're doing a little piddling around. I've been in shop clean mode here for about 2 weeks now. I got to rent it out to a couple of guys here for doing a project or two on it, but anyways, I'm getting a few of my military stuff decorated up here, getting her back into shape. Hey, got my 42 here all done. Got some stars put on it. Why is that star red? Because this here motorcycle was a Lend-Lease WLA that was sent to Russia back in either 41 or 42 or something like that. And they used it. And then I don't know what the deal was. They just took and sent it back to Canada, or back to the US, I guess. Somebody bought it and had it in a bunch of pieces and parts. And it sat in crates for approximately, I think just about 20 years. And I put it back together. Didn't want to, but I did, but I'm quite happy about it. Anyways, just a little look at what we're doing around here today. This thing sounds like it's gonna have a pour in there.
It just might.
Hey?
We'll see if it does or not today. Driving all the way back to Abbotsford.
Clean her up! Like I couldn't spell forklift 2 days ago, now I'm driving one.
Look at you go.
You know, guys, it's been 2 weeks I've been working on this. I'm just about sick and tired of it. To me, this shop looks dirtier than I started with. But anyways, here's what I've been doing. I got most of my junk all off of here. My handy trusty forklift hasn't given me any grief. I got my stuff racked and packed and stacked here. Yes, indeed. And if you're curious what that is, that's a piece of history up there. That's a Martin CE 250 turned off of a Lancaster, Canadian one. Why do I have that? I'm not sure. I just buy weird shit. Here's a little bit of organization. I'm running out of room. I got too many motorcycles. I'm sick and tired of cleaning, to be honest with you. Want to buy a motorcycle? Somebody come over and give me a picture of some fish. Right there. One of our local artists. Pretty damn good. And here's just a little bit. We got a little bit to go. We're going to do the reveal here in a little while and get her done, I guess. Anyways, guys, here's some racking we put together. It took us 2 days to put this racking together. Am I happy about it? I'm fairly ecstatic about it, actually. I just got too much to put on there. I got all my motor cores and my engines up there. Some other junk up there. I got an old Canadian artifactor off of a Lancaster. That's a Martin CE 250 top turret. The only thing I got left to do is my dear delinquent child's go-kart right here. I don't know what to do with it. I think it's going to get hung off the wall again. It's aggravating me. It's aggravating me. I think it's going to live right over here. I'm going to hang it on this wall right here. Right here. It's going right up there. It's a good spot for it. Anyways, guys, simple update. My renters are kind of starting to move in. They got their first job on the go. Things are looking up pretty good. I just don't have enough space. I got stuff over here and I got very little room up there, so who knows? It is what it is. There you go.